The future of gaming. Top Clawgrip Mice for 2023. With so many products on the market, picking out the perfect one will be challenging. So we've chosen the best 6 products out there to make it simple for you. Please check the description for more information and the latest pricing. Best overall, Logitech G Pro X. Like a fine leather wallet or designer bow tie, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight feels exceptionally well made. And despite having no RGB lighting, it's one of the best looking wireless mice we've ever seen. Weighing a mere 63 grams all up, it's also one of the lightest, feeling barely perceptible in your hand and easily gliding over surfaces. The classy look and lightweight design are backed up by excellent performance hardware in the form of an impressive 25,600 DPI Logitech G Hero sensor. The sensor tracks your movements precisely in games, allowing you to swap out large hand movements for small, precise ones that allow you to target quicker in games. The buttons also feel light and airy and actuate with the lightest possible pressure, challenging you to increase your clicking speed to keep up. Best mid-range, Pulsar Gaming Gears X2. The Pulsar Gaming Gears X2 wireless gaming mouse is an ultra-lightweight, symmetrical mouse designed for gamers. Weighing only 1.94 ounces, it allows swift and effortless movement during gameplay, reducing fatigue and improving the overall gaming experience. It has a 2.4 GHz 1 millisecond wireless connection, and the X2 ensures a lag-free gaming experience. The mouse also features in itself a high-precision optical sensor, PAW3395 capable of up to 26,000 DPI, ensuring precise and accurate movements during gameplay. Additionally, the X2 boasts a TTC Gold encoder, which provides a crisp and tactile feel to the scroll wheel, allowing for smooth and precise scrolling during gameplay. Overall, the Pulsar Gaming Gears X2 wireless gaming mouse is a top-of-the-line gaming mouse that combines an ultra-lightweight design with advanced features to provide gamers with a seamless and precise gaming experience. Best for large hands, BenQ Zowie EC2B. It's a simple black mouse, nothing fancy. Similarly, the design needs to meet expectations. However, right-handed gamers will appreciate the curved top and 2 shiny buttons on the left side. For branding, a red, non-backlit logo appears on the back. Unfortunately, it does not have the customizable lighting of a competing gaming mouse. Moreover, the BenQ Zowie's wired design makes it less than ideal for use during traveling, but it should be suitable when paired with a home gaming PC. Furthermore, any of the side buttons can be pressed with little force if you pressure it from below, so while the top is solid, the bottom shows a lot of flexibility. The Zowie's comfortable, rounded design is a major selling point. Thanks to the conveniently placed mouse side buttons, you can easily use it with a claw grip. However, its size makes it awkward for a claw or fingertip grip if you are a gamer with small hands. The Zowie should give a fluid gaming experience thanks to its low click latency. Moreover, it has a reasonable DPI range, albeit is not quite as wide as some of the other gaming mice. Moreover, the Pixart PMW3360 sensor falls slightly short of the DPI, though not by much. In addition, the mouse's bottom features a button that gives you access to 4 different DPI profiles. In addition, a second button located at the device's bottom lets you select between 3 different fixed polling rates, 125 Hz, 500 Hz, and 1000 Hz. As a result, you have no control over these settings. Meanwhile, scrolling the mouse wheel produces auditory clicks at regular intervals. Fortunately, the rubber material of the wheel has grooves and raised surfaces that facilitate grip. Best for small hands, Cooler Master MM720. The Cooler Master MM720 may not be from a manufacturer with a reputation as large as Razer or Logitech, but it is an excellent option if you want to try something different. Unlike most of the best gaming mice for small hands in this video, the Cooler Master MM720 does not try to pander to everyone by creating a shape-for-all grip. It's also unapologetically best for people that use claw grips, but it does feel decent for other grips as well. There are grooves on the right side that give your ring and pinky fingers a nice space to sit in, and it feels really comfortable. The LK optical switches used here are rated for 70 million click and feel well made. Interestingly, the scroll wheel is optical too, so it uses light to detect the trigger, which pretty much guarantees better accuracy and speed. The sensor is also flawless, but that's become a standard requirement with modern mice. The Cooler Master MM720 mouse is a perfect example of function over form. Best ergonomic: Razer Basilisk V3. The Razer Basilisk V3 is mostly matte black plastic, although it does include some glossy black highlights. In contrast to earlier Basilisk models, the sniper button is now permanently mounted. The sides and back are also illuminated by a continuous underglow RGB, with 9 individual lighting zones. The Razer Basilisk V3 has a high-quality level of build. The smooth matte plastic offers a satisfying weight and quality feel. However, there is some wiggle in the scroll wheel due to the left-right tilt inputs, but this should not be an issue when using the mouse. The Razer Basilisk V3 is a little heavier than the average gaming mouse, and there is no way to reduce it. It tips the scales at 100 grams, with excessive weight on the front. Furthermore, the thumb rest on the Razer Basilisk V3 makes it ideal for right-hand users. The V3 boasts a top-notch cable that feels like paracord, flexible enough but still shows packing quirks. On the other hand, the mouse feet on the V3 are excellent. The new feet are an upgrade over the old ones and work well on flat surfaces. There is no lag in responsiveness when you click in any game genre. Moreover, this mouse has a Razer-focused 26K DPI optical sensor. When enabled, the Smart Reel software feature instantly transitions to the free scrolling mode if the user scrolls rapidly enough. Similarly, the interface of the accompanying software, Razer Synapse, is well designed and straightforward. Best budget: Logitech G305. The Logitech G305 is another fantastic gaming mouse, perfect for gamers with smaller sized hands. Like the Razer Orochi V2 mouse, the Logitech G305 is also a wireless egg in shape. It has a similar physical footprint to the other mice that we have discussed so far, but it stands out in the weight category at 3.5 ounces, including the alkaline battery. However, the sides are curved all the way to the base, which occasionally caused my hands to get quite stiff and uncomfortable after a while. The Logitech Hero sensor used here differs from the PixArt ones we've seen so far, but is an equally great sensor. That, in combination with the excellent 250-hour battery life of the mouse, are the biggest selling points. Apart from the uncomfortable design of the sides, you also don't get PTFE feet. The standard plastic ones you get are inferior and don't glide across the mousepad as well as PTFE feet do. The mouse's weight is also a bit of an issue, because if you're getting a mouse mainly for its small footprint, you would expect it to be lightweight. However, this one feels more cumbersome to use than the other options we've discussed so far.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.